My very big next goal is to be a para-triathlete. So I swim, I bike, and I run.
Today I want to introduce new prosthetic which we finalized for our patient. can also provide cosmetic prosthetic for food. By the way, this prosthetic silicone could be also used as a cover on the top of the prosthetic foot when you are walking on the beach, when you are walking on the sand. This will help you also because this is hollow inside, and the price is also only $1,500. Realistic prosthetic made for each individual patient by taking impression from the hand, and the quality of it is very, very unique, and you can see that it's really one of the best quality in the world. Since 20 years we are in the market for prosthetic and orthotic. Additional to that, we are making realistic prosthetics for the hand and for the foot. This patient is one Iraqi patient, came to us, and this is one VIP patient from UAE in Dubai, and look at the quality. The quality is fantastic, and when you are looking for this quality, we can make it for you. By the way, the price compared to European market is much more cheaper, and the quality is much more higher. You no need to be traveling all around the world, going with the family to Europe. We are making it here exactly in doorstep of your home. This patient receiving two prosthetic from us. It is one of long version, and one is just covering for the missing fingers. For partial foot amputation, we are also making realistic foot prosthetic, but this is the one which we make it as a cover for prosthetic foot. We have another version which is also realistic for individual patient by custom made.